So here we are in Pearl, Mississippi. We stopped at the park because the dog was a little bit warm. Thought we'd take him out, let him run a little bit. And now the car won't start. Not sure what's wrong with it, so we tried to jump it. That didn't work. I don't know. We'll see.
It's the solenoid part of it. It's real loose right there, like this part here. See how it's moving? But see, then again, that might not have nothing to do with it because you don't have anything going on in there.
So, what's your best suggestion?
I say it's the battery. That's me. That's me. I mean, that's only because she didn't get no headlights. She didn't get nothing. And the starter, the starter would not stop that at all.
From what I see, I would tell you go to the park store. Get your battery checked again. Get it checked again. Make sure you got no bad diode. If you got bad diode, you need to get a new battery. So go to AutoZone there.
Can you believe you came, put the cables on it, and just started it right up? Ain't that a hot mess?
That's how I go.